my little garden. Verse 1. I have a little garden and it grows in the sun. Today I looked for worms in it and I found one. While tending to my garden, I have lots of fun. And all the worms are helping me to get the job done. Verse 2. I have a little garden where a breeze blows through. Today I looked for worms in it and I found 2. To keep my garden growing, I have lots to do. And underneath the soil, worms are working too. Verse 3. I have a little garden that grows by a tree. Today I looked for worms in it and I found 3. As I watch my garden growing, it's exciting to see. I wonder if the worms know they are helping me. Verse 4. I have a little garden where I can explore. Today I looked for worms in it and I found 4. To make my garden grow, I planted seeds galore. I watered them and weeded them and so much more. Verse 5. I have a little garden that is very alive. Today I looked for worms in it and I found 5. My garden's growing beautifully. It will survive as the worms and I together help to make it thrive. By Barbara Whitten. This poem has 5 different parts. Each part is called a verse. What rhyming words did you hear in each verse? Remember, rhyming words have the same last part. In verse 1, the rhyming words are sun, one, fun, and done. In verse 2, the rhyming words are through, to, do, and to. The rhyming words in verse 3 are tree, 3, see, and me. And in verse 4, the rhyming words are explore, for, galore, and more. The rhyming words in verse 5 are alive, 5, survive, and thrive. Can you think of any other words that rhyme with these words? Every day I counted how many worms I found in my garden. How many worms did I count? On the first day, I counted 1. On the second day, I counted 2. On the third day, I counted 3. On the fourth day, I counted 4. And on the 5th day, I counted 5 worms. I could write this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. I counted 15 worms that I found. You could also use tally marks or make a chart or a picture to show how many worms you found each day and how many worms were found all together. Maybe you could try that at home. If you had a little garden, where would it be? What kinds of plants would you grow in it? How would you help your garden to grow and thrive? Maybe you could make a picture of your garden at home.